6 ways to invest in real estate with a low credit score. 1. REITs. More commonly known as REITs, real estate investment trusts are portfolios of income-producing properties. Like with stocks, you can purchase shares of REITs, therefore buying a stake in those properties' revenues as well. 2. Real estate stocks. Similarly, you can also invest in individual real estate stocks. These include stocks for brokerages, lenders, home builders, real estate platforms, and more. 3. Wholesale real estate. Wholesaling is a type of real estate investing that's sort of like flipping, except instead of flipping properties, you're flipping contracts. 4. Metaverse real estate. This one might be a little intimidating for the average consumer, but if you're willing to take a little risk, investing in real estate in the metaverse, a network of virtual worlds that's been making headlines in recent months, could be the right move. 5. Crowdfunded development deal. Crowdfunding is an easy way to get in on the ground floor of a real estate development, without putting up a ton of cash, or worrying about getting a loan. 6. List your home or extra room on Airbnb. If you already own a home, you can start your investing journey by simply renting it out, or even just a room in it. Want to buy a physical property? You have options. If you want to invest in real estate the traditional way, by buying a physical property, your low credit score doesn't fully preclude you from that.